Hi students, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss the continuation of sets topic of class 10th. Okay, in the previous video we discussed some sums in the page number 30, right? So we are going to continue some more sums of same topic. Okay guys, yeah, let's start. See students, in the previous video we discussed it till the last sum, right? That is third sum of page number 30. So we are going to discuss on fourth sum, set of digits in the Ramanujan number. Actually, there is one popular number for Ramanujan, that is 1729. There is some story about that. We'll discuss later. Okay, guys. So here the 1, 2, 7, 9. These are the digits of Ramanujan number. Okay, actually the number is 1729, but according to the set we have to write in ascending or descending order, right? By keeping commas, okay, and enclose it by the flower brackets. Okay, represent the given elements with any letter, any capital letter. Okay, that is a set name. So that equal to 1, 2, 7, 9. Okay, right? Okay guys, that is the Ramanujan number. Now actually guys, what is a set? Set already ఇవన్నీ నేను మీకు డిస్కస్ చేశాను ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో, బట్ లెట్స్ డిస్కస్ వన్స్ అగైన్ సో దట్ యూ కెన్ ఇట్ విల్ బీ ఈజీ ఫర్ యూ. ఓకే, మీకే కొద్దిగా మళ్ళీ రీకలెక్ట్ చేసినట్టు ఉంటుంది. ఓకే గైస్, నౌ set is nothing but it is a well defined, okay, a set is a well defined collection of objects. Okay, set అంటే ఏంటి? వెల్ డిఫైన్డ్. ఓకే, ఒక గ్రూపులో సేమ్ కేటగిరీ సంబంధించిన ఐటమ్సే ఉండాలి. అందులో ఏ ఒక్క ఐటమ్ డిఫరెంట్గా ఉన్నా అది మనం సెట్ అనం, వెల్ డిఫైన్డ్ అనం. ఓకే గైస్, ఓకే, ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఇన్ ద సెట్. ఓకే, అందులో మనం ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ థింగ్, ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ నంబర్ కానీ మనం ఇందులో ఎలా రీచ్ చేస్తామంటే ఎలిమెంట్ అని చదువుతాం. ఓకే, ఆ ఫ్లవర్ బ్రాకెట్స్లో ఉండే నంబర్స్ని మనం నంబర్స్ రీచ్ చేయొద్దు సెట్స్లో. వీ హ్యావ్ టు రీడ్ యాజ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్. ఓకే, ఇన్ సెట్స్ టాపిక్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రీడ్ కన్సిడర్ యాజ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్. ఓకే గైస్, నౌ sets are written by enclosing all its elements between the brackets. Okay guys, now set is denoted by the capital letters. Okay, that one we will see later. So in this first three paragraphs what I give, first one deals with the definition of a set. Okay, అందులో ఆ ఫ్లవర్ బ్రాకెట్స్లో ఎన్క్లోజ్ చేసే ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ మనం ఎలిమెంట్ అని చదువుతాం ఇన్ సెట్. దెర్ఫోర్ ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ ద ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఇన్ ద సెట్. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టేకెన్ ఇన్సైడ్ ద ఫ్లవర్ బ్రాకెట్స్, those are called the elements in set. Okay guys, now so it should be enclosed by the flower brackets guys. Okay, now what is a representation of a set? Set is denoted by the capital letters. Okay, set ma ela denote chestam, capital letters to denote chestam. It can be either A, B, C, D, E, so on. Okay, and sets are represented into two types. One is it can be represented in the form of roster form, and the second method is it can be represented in the form of set builder form. Roster form ante enti chuddam. Okay, in this type we use to write a set by listing the elements in it. Okay, roster form is similar to the set representation guys. Okay na, మనం నార్మల్గా ఇంతకుముందు ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ అవన్నీ సమ్సూ చేసాం కదా. ఓకే, సమ్సూ చేసాం కదా, దోస్ notation is nothing but the roster form only guys. Okay, what is your definition telling here? In this type we used to write a set by listing the elements in it. ఓకే, సో ఇలా సెట్ నేమ్ రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, what take one example, set of 5 first 5 natural numbers. Okay, set of 5 first 5 natural numbers and 1 2 3 4 5. So how can we represent that information in terms of roster form? Set, you have to take any capital letter, okay, is equal to open flower brackets and write first 5 natural numbers. Okay, that's it. This is a set representation. Okay, default is roster form only. Okay guys, so this is a representation of a roster form. We have to take the set name and enclose the information within the brackets by separation of the comma. Okay guys, now second one we see with the guys, second one set builder form అంటాం. ఇది కొద్దిగా డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటుంది guys. You have to follow certain formula for writing the set builder form. Roster form is easy. The set representation ni roster form antam. It's a default set representation, roster form. Okay, so what is given in this type, we used to write a set by defining its element with a common property. Okay, in this type we used to write a set by defining its elements with a common property. Okay, set builder form follows certain syntax. Okay, set builder form రాయాలి అంటే there exists some rule అనమాట. So we have to follow certain rule for writing a set builder form. What is that rule? We'll see here. So always a set representation will be some capital letter. Okay, is equal to open brackets and x, we can take any variable here, any defined variable, okay, colon, and x is a and rasi, what is that contains, then condition, what is that x is a condition man rayali ikkada. So you have to remember these points. Set name, set representation, x we can define with any variable here, okay, and x is a dots or dots place లో మీరు అసలు ఆ x అంటే ఏంటో మీరు అక్కడ రాయాలి. ఓకే గైస్, సో for representation of the set builder form guys, take the set name is equal to open flower brackets variable colon, any variable colon, variable is a, then write down any what is that information contains, then condition, what is it given based on the given question, how you write the condition. These are the steps you have to remember for the set builder form. Okay guys, now let's see one example. If you want to take the previous example, we'll continue with the same previous example. In the previous example, what we have to take in for the roster form, set of first 5 natural numbers. Okay guys, set of first 5 natural numbers. ఏం రాస్తాం మనము రోస్టర్ ఫామ్లో n అని పెట్టేసి, ఓకే, 1 2 3 4 5 అలా రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం. బట్ సెట్ బిల్డర్ ఫామ్లో యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫాలో సర్టెన్ రూల్ అనమాట. ఓకే, సో n ఈజ్ ఎ న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్, ఓపెన్ బ్రాకెట్స్ x కోలన్, x ఈజ్ ఎ న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ వీఆర్ టాకింగ్ దట్ ఇండికేట్స్ x అనమాట ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, x ఈజ్ ఎ న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్ and this is a condition. How many numbers they are asking? Only 5 numbers, 5 natural numbers. So x less than or equal to 5. That's it. Okay, x colon, x is a whatever, what is a set it is talking about in the condition. So this syntax you have to remember guys. Okay, and the elements in the set are distinct, it should not be repeated. So I have given one note here. The elements in the set are distinct, it should not be repeated. If it are repeated values are there, then we should take only one time only. Okay, it should not be repeated. Okay, I hope you understand this video guys. In the next video we are going to continue page number 31, do this some sums and some extra sums also. Okay guys, thank you.